Ever grappled with the daunting task of locating specific information in a sea of Excel data? It's akin to finding a needle in a haystack, right? Well, rest easy. Excel has a nifty formula called vlookup that comes to the rescue. Diving straight in, the first step in writing a vlookup formula requires you to select an empty cell. This cell is where the result of your vlookup will appear. In the formula bar, type in =vlookup, ensuring to include the parentheses. The cursor should be blinking inside the parentheses, patiently waiting for more instructions. Following this, it's time to enter your lookup value. This is the specific data you're searching for within that vast Excel spreadsheet. After entering your lookup value, make sure to follow it up with a comma. Now, this is where you'll need to specify your table array or lookup table. This is essentially the range of data you wish to search. It's like handing Excel a map and marking the area where you suspect the treasure to be hidden. After entering your table array, don't forget that all-important comma. Next up is the column index number. This is the column in your table array that holds the data you want to pull into your selected cell. Think of it as the X on your treasure map. Finally, you need to enter the range lookup value. This can be either true or false. True tells Excel that if an exact match isn't found, then the nearest match should be returned. False, on the other hand, instructs Excel to only return an exact match. So to summarize, 1. Select an empty cell and type =vlookup in the formula bar. 1. Enter your lookup value followed by a comma. 1. Specify your table array or lookup table followed by a comma. 1. Input the column index number. 1. Enter the range lookup value, which can be either true or false, and voila, you've just written a vlookup formula. It's a powerful tool in your Excel arsenal, and with a bit of practice, it'll become second nature. Remember, the key to mastering vlookup is understanding each step and knowing what information to input. Excel is a powerful tool, and vlookup is just one of the ways it can simplify your data analysis. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as that needle in the Excel haystack becomes easier to find.